printed individual, they're just taped on, individual bus stops. These are replicas of our current bus stop. I am the face of all of our bus stops, and that is because of the traction I have in our farming areas. We know that my face is the best bet for anyone on our team to get a listing. So then we put it, you can see our map actually has spots for transit. Ta-da! When we purchase a bus stop, we mark it on our visual CRM. We want to see where our bus stops are, where are our resources, where are we spending dollars, and are we getting the mileage out of those dollars that they deserve? If they are, they get to stay. If they're not, we always course correct.